Hello folks, this is Ben from Zerion Software. In our next Dataflow automation release, you're going to see some significant changes coming to the user interface, specifically on the connection screen. So in release 2.8, we're focusing on changing the UI of the connection screen to mirror and be very similar to what you see in Zerion Identity Management to have a pretty consistent experience across the board. So first things first, you're going to see a new toggle down here that says New Interface. By default, this is going to be on to see the new interface, but if you still do prefer the old one, you can simply toggle it off and it's going to load the old interface here for you to work with. Now we will be removing this button here in a couple weeks once the new interface is out and has been fully tested and implemented. So if we turn this on, we're going to see our list of connections here. You're still able to search your connections, so you can search for a SQL connection, or you can say you only want to filter for SQL Server connections. And then you're going to see a create button here to create new connections. And if you want to look at a connection, this is actually a little different screen that we've introduced. When you open up this connection, you're going to see an intermediate screen that's going to show you the details about this connection. And if you'd like to edit it, you can simply hit edit and make your changes. But we've actually incorporated our sharing as well as a new feature for connection dependencies inside of here. So on share connection, you're able to see all the users that this is shared with or add additional users to share this to. And inside the dependencies, you can see where this connection called test SQL Server within what data flows it's used. So in this data flow, it's used one time at the test SQL create action name. So this way you can see if you do make any changes or remove this connection, you can see what all is going to be affected. So again, this is all part of the new user interface coming soon for Dataflow automation, and stay tuned.